Hey everyone, I decided to do a little baking. Actually, I'm preparing for breakfast for tomorrow. I'm going to do a scramble, the kind that you bake in the oven. I pre-cut some potatoes. It's about one large potato, red bell pepper, red onions, garlic, and just a little bit of a red pepper that has a little spice. We got our cheese. We have our turkey sausage crumble and fresh farm eggs. And we'll be adding some other seasonings like salt and pepper and a little milk. Let's see how we do. First thing first, I gotta cook my veggies a little bit so they're tender before putting them in the casserole, and I'm gonna do the same with my potatoes so they're soft and not hard. And then we're going to scramble up the eggs, add the ingredients with a little bit of milk and cheese and some seasoning, and we're going to put it in the 9x13 dish, and I'm going to use some spray so it won't stick. It's going to go in the refrigerator overnight. You can actually bake it right away, but I'm going to do it overnight so it's fresh and hot in the morning, and it'll cook for about an hour, about 40 minutes I think tomorrow is what it said. So we're going to see how we go with this concoction. Hopefully it turns out well. Getting ready to just saute my veggies and the turkey crumble and get it so that they're at least tender, but not overdone. Okay, got my eggs scrambled. There's 6 of them in there. I'm going to add roughly about a tablespoon of the black pepper and some sea salt, and this is the kind that I'm using. So that's what I'm going to do now as my veggies. I have a half a cup of milk because I downsized the ingredients. I got some pepper and salt in there. Maybe a little too much pepper, but we'll find out tomorrow, I guess. Milk and eggs are all scrambled in. Next, I'm going to put my cheese and all my other ingredients in as soon as they're ready. I added the turkey crumble or bits, and I'm going to stir it in with my veggies and go ahead and let that cook down a little bit more. I had 2 cups of cheese in here, and potatoes are cooked, so I'm going to let them cool off for a second and add this all in there as soon as the vegetables are done. They're still cooking for just a minute. I drained the veggies and the turkey sausage off because there was a lot of liquid from the bell pepper, and we're going to mix this all together. Tomorrow I also bought some soft flour tortillas so that way we can have the scrambled with some flour tortilla. Potatoes are almost done, and they will be going in next. Put it in the casserole dish and stick it in the microwave. I'll be sticking it in the refrigerator. It's late, I know. Okay, it's in there. I'm going to go ahead and stir it in and pour it in my pan. Okay, this is what it looks like right now. I'm going to put the lid on and stick it in the refrigerator, and I will be baking it tomorrow. So we'll continue this in the morning. I totally forgot. This is my casserole. So sorry, everyone. And I'm making little burritos out of them, breakfast burritos, that I can either wrap and put in the refrigerator or wrap and freeze and reheat or share. So there you go. Sorry, I should have taken a picture after. My bad.